I am pleased to announce you that I've implemented cryptocurrency payments in FAB-IT Solutions now. And here is a demonstration. As you can see, the hourly consultancy rate for remote is 50 euros. You can proceed to checkout with that. And in the checkout, below the PayPal, now you have the option of crypto payment via Kyber Decentralized Exchange. Kyber is a cryptocurrency and a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. It's the highest liquidity decentralized exchange that exists, and they're on a cutting edge technology. Here you can see that the payment is done via the widget, and the calculation is done in Ethereum, which is 0258. When you place the order, you get the order number, date, and the total of amount in euro, 50 euros. But then you see the method is done in crypto payment by Kyber Decentralized Exchange. When you choose to pay by tokens, you'll be actually then connected to the Kyber through our website. And on the left side, you can see you have the choices of the cryptocurrencies that you can make the payment with. And if you're acquainted with the Ethereum, these cryptocurrencies are basically all on the Ethereum blockchain, hence ERC20s. In this particular case, I've chosen KNC, which is a Kyber cryptocurrency, and the calculation is automatically done. When you agree to terms and conditions, then you press next. Then it will basically ask you to connect to your wallet. The wallet can be either MetaMask, which is a hot wallet, or very well-known cold wallets such as Ledger and Trezor. And the rest of the payment is pretty much standard if you already own the Ledger or Trezor wallets, and then you can make the payments. Looking forward to see your payments done by the crypto. Thank you for your attention.